Rain has eased across coastal New South Wales, but flooding is ongoing, with some rivers not yet at their peak. Sydney and the Central Coast have seen further heavy rain over the last 24 hours, with that upper level low continuing to interact with a moist easterly flow. 50 to 100 millimetres reached the gauges between Port Macquarie and Nowra, with falls well in excess of 100 millimetres north of Sydney. Rainfall rates were heaviest Thursday morning, exceeding 110 millimetres in a 6-hour period across parts of the Wollongong coast. Flood warnings for the Hawkesbury and Nepean rivers have been downgraded from major to moderate, with minor flooding for the Colo River. Rain has eased across coastal areas this morning, but a significant amount of water continues to move downstream through our catchments. Further river rises are possible, with inundation of homes and businesses a continued risk, so it remains critical to stay on top of the latest flood warnings and advice from emergency services. Today, we'll see isolated coastal showers continuing, but our focus will shift inland. West of the ranges, greater areas of showers and storms will extend from southern parts of Queensland through New South Wales and into northern Victoria. These storms may turn severe with heavy rainfall, so keep an eye out for warnings through the afternoon and evening. There is also the slight risk of a storm in northeast New South Wales, but with only isolated, low to moderate falls expected, the impacts on flood cleanup and recovery efforts in these areas should be low. Inland rainfall will continue on Saturday, with the risk of storms extending across most parts of New South Wales. Higher rainfall totals will be fairly hit and miss, but most likely across those inland parts once again. By Sunday, shower and storm activity will start to contract northeast, and those rainfall numbers are expected to remain low. An end to the rain does not mean an end to the significant weather, as we're seeing right now with ongoing flooding impacts about the central coast of New South Wales. It remains essential to keep yourself up to date by checking the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from emergency services. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.